Hello everyone, this is Rita and I am going to be doing the last video for this year-long planner, and it is called Sage and Willow Year-Long Planner Kit, and it's by Collage Type. I have not been calling it year-long planner, so I wanted to give you that information in case you needed to find it if you were interested in purchasing a kit. This is in collaboration with Tanya at Tatty Treasures also. Okay, so let me show you inside here. I have put labels on all of the individual folded envelopes where we connected the envelopes together, and those are making the pockets here, and those are holding the pages in for our daily information. So some are not done yet because I just haven't had a chance to get back to it, but I will finish all the rest of these up. So this one here, for instance, if you haven't seen this before, we have where I did January here on front. I left this blank, and then this is to store things inside, like receipts and things. And I thought about, you know, just writing receipts or a couple different categories that I might use that envelope for. And then we go into the pages. And here I put the numbers that came with the kit, and I downsized them 50%. But it was kind of hard to cut everything out. So I decided to, probably I am just going to write my numbers in. I'm not very good at writing. I have some number stamps, but they're way too big. They take up too much room. So, like this is the 19th. And I'll just do that. I hope that it's mine. You know, this is just things for the journal. This is February, and then I just put that little shopping list on. I have more of those little pages to put in here and there. And then this also comes with the kit. There's a page like this, comes like that. And I thought these would be a nice page. Let me see if I'm missing any fronts. It looks like, yeah, April. I guess I could put something on this one. And then I decided to put the numbers of the month. So this is the 4th month. This is the 3rd month. So I can use the numbers. 2nd month. And then there's a 1 on the other one. Okay, so that's kind of, if I think of anything else, I will let you know. So today I'm just going to do the cover. And I just really didn't know what to do. Oh, I should have inked all this stuff. So I thought I would just, I don't know if these little guys would be, I thought I would just put 2023 here. And then if I change it out, all I have to do, I have 2025, or 24, and 25. So I could just put a new number here and change the insides, and that would be it. But I was kind of thinking some backdrop. So I had those little papers. But yeah, I don't think I need it. I'm just going to do it this way. So I've got to I'll lay it out the way I had thought about it. Okay, so that, and then I thought I would put day of the week. Sorry, I meant to ink these up. It's time consuming. Let's see, Monday. Because I didn't use these in the journal, But it kind of, to me, seems like it makes sense. There's Monday and Tuesday. That's what we do in this. I think this one's already inked. That's Sunday. So I hope everybody's doing well. Be ready for, getting ready for your Christmas. I need Saturday in there. Let's see. All right, let's do this. And then Saturday. I know it's not real fancy, but, you know, it's actually taken a long time to make this. And kind of ready to be done. So you can go back. I have, what do I have? 4 videos on that, but I have a playlist and you can go find it. Okay, so we might put it down that way a little. Thursday. No, I need Saturday down here. There we go. Okay. Now, I don't know if I need to put something behind them. And I thought I was going to put a little butterfly over each of these as they go up the book. These are from the kit. So, what do you think? Because I really don't have another thought. The background is really busy. And, you know, I just can't, unless I can put other things in here, but I think it'll be too much. I was just thinking if something was behind it. Okay, so this is going to be it. So I'm just going to go here, get my glue stick. I was going to put some burlap with it, which I thought would have looked really great. Let me see. I don't think these would stick to the burlap. Unless... yeah, I don't think they'll stick. And then I was thinking, oh, under this, doing burlap in here. But then having it in one spot doesn't really look that great. Okay, so let's just... glue stick, where are you? I'm not going to ink the butterflies. I think they're okay. I might go in with the brush a little bit. Let me ink this one. It's got a little white showing. Okay. I think it would have looked nice if the butterflies could lift up like they're flying off, but where'd I just see my tweezers? I can put the butterfly a little under that. Okay, so then I can concentrate on Edith Holden and get it done. I just don't feel 100% yet, and I just don't, I don't know, I don't know what the word is. I just, like I said, don't feel 100%. So when I come in here and I work a little bit, I'm like, okay, that's enough. And you know how long it takes to make these journals. This one is time consuming if you do it this way. I next time would do it a little different. I don't think I would put all the envelopes in, for one. I probably would incorporate the envelope into the you know, the elastic bands. Where was Thursday? So it wasn't so bulky, and my spine wouldn't have needed to be that big. And the spine is bowing, and I got I retied and got new elastic, and it is still bowing. I'll show you when I get done. So that, I think, is because my spine was not strong enough. That's not where I wanted that. I don't think my spine was strong enough to hold all the weight of, you know, those craft envelopes. They're pretty heavy. The rooster's going again all day long. I mean, I don't mind it when I'm in my other room because I don't hear it from there. But in here I hear it. Okay, I wonder if I should have, how about the butterfly down here on this one? Now I changed my mind. Midway, whoops, not even midway, more than half. Oh, I know, I was gonna, oh, darn. Well, this is not for sale, so I'm not gonna worry about it. I had a drop of water or something fell right there, and I was going to cover it with the butterfly. That's why I started with butterflies. In the first place. And then I thought, well, they look kind of boring by themselves. I'm anxious to see what other people did. In my description, I believe I have links to the other journal makers that are working on this. And it'll be fun to see. I feel like that needs a little bit. It'll be fun to see what they do with theirs. Okay, so let's see. Up here. Yeah, let's do it right here. Go back with some art glitter to get those butterflies to lay down. I'm sure all of you would come up with some kind of clever thing to put on the front. And maybe next time, I'm going to do this again, only I'm going to make it for in my office area, which I'd like to take my office and bring it in here so that I don't have to go from place to place to print and then another place to upload and, you know, that kind of thing. I would like it all to be in one room, but I don't quite have enough room, enough room in this room to make that work, I don't think. Okay, so I like that. That's fine for me. Okay, so here's the back. And what happened is, it doesn't matter. I tried to put a thicker spine in, but once this was creased somehow, it just kind of, I don't have a, like this, if it was your paper, and it got bowed, you can't get it to go back, no matter what. I tried, you know, I mean, I didn't try that much, but anyway, so I put two layers of elastic, and then I was able to get 12 months in here. But I'm going to do another one, and more alphabet style, so that I can put my passwords for my computer. I have passwords that are in my, I have a phone book that I've always put them in, and there's so many I don't even know what kind of websites they are. So I thought maybe I would do something like this. I could stand this up on my computer desk. So I like that it stands up. And this is the view this way, because I'm probably not going to do a flip through or anything. This is pretty much done. I just have to fill the rest of the pages up with the date things. Okay, so if anybody has any questions, you know, you just ask me and I'll try to give you the answers. It's kind of nice to watch something and then see where you went wrong for you as YouTubers, and then watching us make these videos, and then you know what not to do, because a lot of us only do this for the first time as well. Because if you did a prototype on everything you did or made one in advance, unless you're only doing it once a week, a video, then you could probably get away with that. But yeah, it's hard to know what's really going to happen. So, all right, you guys, I don't think this is a very long video, but I'm going to go, and I hope you go take a look at this one. And then this is the Sage and Willow, and then Tanya at Tatty Treasures has the In the Meadows planner kit, and that one is like the pinks and purples and stuff that we did in October, I think. October, or no, maybe it was before that. I don't know. They all run together. Okay, so bye and have a wonderful day. Talk to you soon.